Hi everyone, today we will do fastest smoky eyes ever. First we need to prepare our eyelid. I will apply matte concealer from Essence. You can use any other concealer, special eyeshadow base, or even try to go without it, but I don't recommend it. First, with any preparation, it will hold longer and a lot easier to blend. And yes, for applying I use my finger. First is faster, second, actually I think first is enough. For the next step, I will use eyeshadow, and I recommend go to light brown or red or orange. This is the most easier way to blend your smoky eyes really perfectly. Don't dip your brush too much, we don't need extra pigment on our brush. Cover your crease area and a little blend it out. Repeat the same movement in your second eye. And the same I apply under the eye also, just because it's one of the main rules of smoky eyes. If you apply too much pigment, you will have hard time blending it out. My brush is peeled, so for blending, I'm usually use motion in and out. And if you have round brush, you need to use round motion to blend it. And the most interesting part, you should go very carefully. I use liquid eyeliner from Maybelline with their brush. I will apply little by little on my eyelid. Be sure before you open your eyes, your product will dry properly. Don't try to make too much straight line because we need to blend it out. And for blending this pigment, I will use opposite side of the brush and blend it out during the product is fresh, or you actually will have really bad trouble with this. For the next step, we will use black eyeshadow with beveled brush. Actually, this kind of brush is my personal preference. If you have round brush, you can use this too, just your motion will be round. Mine more looks like in and out, and also from side to side, without round motion. Just apply very gently and carefully. Black pigment really can ruin your makeup. And now we're going back to our clean or light shadow brush and continue blending it out. Blending together until you will sure that there's no harsh line between your eyelid and crease. All colors blended smoothly and looks nice. Also, we're doing the same with our under eye area. And now we can check how smooth we done. If you don't like the results, you can keep going with our clean brush or light eyeshadow brush, or maybe even you will want to add more black. Just don't forget, the main goal is to make a very smooth blending when the whole eyes is gradient from black to lighter color and to clean color skin. And only after we're done with one eye, we go into another, because don't forget this eyeliner technique dry very quick, and if you let it dry, it will be very complicated to blend it out. Again, take our clean brush and keep mixing this eyeshadow together. Here I didn't like and I add a little bit more black. Just be sure you do it carefully. Also, to this makeup you can use with eyeliner, but I prefer to do full smoky eyes without this. In inner corner, I like to blend it over and add some white or shiny parts. And here we are. With this tutorial, you will be ready for any party within 10 minutes. I hope you like it. Check my other tutorials and leave your comment.